Model 2008 Volkswagen Transporter Shuttle Long Wheelbase, 2.5 TDI DSG Automatic Spares OR Repairs Body, black, window van mileage, 200,377 engine, 2,460 cc BER, 130 bhp transmission, automatic, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, non-runner engine has seized condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Well looked after van. The previous owner was in the process of converting this to a campervan. Being a shuttle, it is already insulated and lined and has air conditioning vents to the rear, so it is the perfect start to a camper build. Features: electric windows, aircon EU status, Euro 4 HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.